Back at it again, Solid Rock family. Now we're gonna get into a new tune by Busy Signal, produced by Calibuds. Seen, and this one is my first time hearing it again. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Like I tell you, with Dibble and with Dabble, we're gonna have tunes that we already know and tunes that we don't know. So, or we haven't heard before. So this is a brand new one from Busy Signal, and in comes
Forever. Our love is like forever.
a thing called 1,000 times.
This is like forever. Yeah, yeah. I need you like forever. We're always together. Hey girl, yeah. Kiss you like 1,000 times. Love you like 1,000 times. And I could go 1,000 miles. Still I never get tired. Never.
From the top.
Forever.
Rhythm,
love is like forever.
Big
This is
tune.
like forever.
One drop. From the top.
Yeah, yeah. I need you like forever. We're always together. Hey girl, yeah. Kiss you like 1,000 times. Love you like 1,000 times. And I could go 1,000 miles. Still I never get tired. Never get tired of you. Like 1,000 times. And I could write 1,000 rhymes just to tell you how much I could I never get tired. Never get tired of you. Girl, me say me and you is like a dream come true. We standing firm now move because we loving each other. We are win or lose. That's why you me choose. It's like a deja vu. We do it over and over again. Oh, you want so genuine. Love man see you out the road and try a thing. This I love you now, don't it never run out, that expiring. Baby girl, your love inspiring. 1,000 times. Love you like 1,000 times. And I could go 1,000 miles. Still I never get tired. Never get tired of you. Like 1,000 times. And I could write 1,000 rhymes just to tell you how much I could I never get tired. Never get tired of you. Gave you all my time. Need you night and day. Our love is so divine. They try but this bond won't fade away. Everyone looking at your eyes. Easily me get swept away. Thoughts of you run through my mind 1,000 times. I say moving on to better days. Kiss you like 1,000 times. Love you like 1,000 times. And I could go 1,000 miles.
Oh gosh.
Still I never get tired.
Yes.
Never get tired of you. Like 1,000 times. And I could write 1,000 rhymes just to tell you how much I could I never get tired. Never get tired of you.
Busy Signal just seems as if he cannot stop making hits. And he is just busy making hits after hits after hits. I'm telling you, there's nobody who can step up in our Busy shoes, I'm telling you, when it come in. The man just consistently drop hits. Come on, go on. Keep going Busy. And keep the signal busy. Because, you see, right here now, we're not going to move iffy.
Never, never get tired of you. No girl, me never get tired of you. Good vibe you bring, that's the thing. Love is the message we sending. And whenever me see you, girl, this is the feeling. Kiss you like 1,000 times. Love you like 1,000 times. And I could go 1,000 miles. Still I never get tired. Never get tired of you. Like 1,000 times. And I could write 1,000 rhymes just to tell you how much I could I never get tired. Never get tired of you.
Turf at it. Big tune from the Turf president, coming with another hit song to mash up your residence. That was Busy Signal with 1,000 times. produced by Calibot. See? And we're gonna keep it moving and keep it grooving because we got some more installment, right? So we're just gonna keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. All right, so listen Solid Rock 1,000 times because he got 1,000 rhymes. Don't commit no 1,000 crime because you will pay the fine. Sure. Big tune from the Busy Signal. Mad thing. Up and running.